Hello dear students, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you one thing. Please sit it with copy pen and watch video completely and stop the video and note important points and go further. If you have any doubts, any problems, then please write in comment box. I'll definitely solve your problems. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel because your these efforts give me new strength, new energy to making something new creative. Thank you. चलिए तो क्वेश्चन है a ray of light AO in vacuum is incident on a glass slab at angle 60 degree and refracted at angle 30 degree along OB as shown in figure. The optical path length of light ray from A to B is, you have given four options, 2A plus 2B by 3, B option 2A plus 2B, C option 2 root 3 by A plus 2B, and D option 2A plus 2B by root 3. This question is asked JEE Mains 2019. In first glance, it seems to be we can find out the distance directly, but actually optical path length is to be different definitions, because whenever any ray accepting only air or vacuum, then any ray which is passing to the medium of glass and water, anything else, then your optical path length is defined as d into mu. It means the optical path length is measured the distance covered or travels by the light with a medium other than a vacuum. So therefore your formula is based on optical path length d into mu. So we can say that this question is based on only concept. So remember these things: optical path length equal to distance into refractive index. So how we can find out optical? We have to find out total path length. So optical path length AO is directly in the air, so not need to multiply mu. But whenever it refracted in the medium of glass, then it can be written as OB into mu. Then we have to find out AO. How we can find out the AO? You can use cosec 30 equal to AO hypotenuse upon perpendicular, means AO can be written as A cosec 30. And similarly, second things here, sec 30 can be written as OB upon B. Then OB can be written as B sec 30. And third things, mu. How we can get the mu? By using the Snell's law. So mu equal to sine I upon sine R. What is sine I? Sine I is 60. Sine 60 upon sine 30. Then your formula root 3 by 2. And what is sine 30? 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Cancel and root 3. So our mu is root 3. Now substitute all this value. What is AO? AO can be written as A cosec 30. What is the cosec 30? Cosec 30 is 2. So it is 2. What is OB? OB is B sec 30. Sec 30 can be written as 2 by root 3. And what is mu? Root 3. Root 3 cancel. Your answers 2A, 2B. So here B is the correct answer, 2A and 2B. Remember, this optical path length is to be different only accepting vacuum. Any medium any medium like that, glass, water, any medium, then multiply distance and mu, then you will get the optical path length. Okay. Next question. An empty spherical flask of diameter 15 cm is placed in water of refractive index 4 by 3. A parallel beam of light strikes the flask. Where does it get focused when observed from within the flask? Before starting the question, I would like to explain some formula utilized to refraction through concave surfaces. As you know that whenever any object which is kept in rare medium and it is this rays passing through rarer to denser, then you can use the formula like that. This object is O and this is goes towards to the denser medium. and this is spherical surface, like that concave may be concave, convex, then you can use rare to denser mu by v minus 1 by u equal to mu minus 1 by r. When rarer to denser and denser to rarer, then you can use the formula mu by u minus 1 by v mu minus 1 by r. These two formula can be utilized here. Denser to rarer, and it is rarer to denser. Okay, in this question your observer is inside the flask and it is kept, whole system is kept in water. It means object is in the denser medium and it is a parallel beams incident on this flask, and we have to find out after incidence it seems to be look like inside the water. So you can use the formula denser medium to rarer medium, mu by u minus 1 by v equal to mu minus 1 by r. Now substitute the value mu. What is mu? 4 by 3. It is infinity because object is at beam falls parallel, so it means object kept at infinity. So substitute the infinity. 1 by v, we have to find out the v, mu 4 by 3 minus 1. And what is r? Your r is, flask is given 15 centimeter diameter, then radius of curvature become 15 by 2. Then substitute this value 15 by 2. Your whole system is 0 minus 1 by v, and it can be taken positive because it is in right side. So by use sign convention, r can be written as 15 by 2. Now substitute the value 4 minus 3 by 3 and 15 into 2. Then it becomes 1 into 2 means 2. 15 3s are 45. Then v can be written as minus 45 by 2 means 22.5 negative. It is in centimeter. So your answer should be minus 22.5 centimeter is correct.